Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. The original Nessie Ladle by OTOTO, soup ladle, cute gifts, funny kitchen gadgets, Loch Ness design, cooking gifts for mom, cute and practical kitchen utensils, unique gifts for women, Mother's Day. Your beast friend from the OTOTO studio comes cute and functional Nessie. Scoop from the depths of the pot and serve into bowls of fun with this purple ladle spoon. Nessie, the nifty spoon, always adds a bit of fun into every kitchen. A quirky little treat looking for new home gift ideas for your loved ones? Or funny kitchen gadgets to add to your collection? Nessie Ladle design adds the kitsch to every kitchen. Serve soups, gravies, and more with this cute kitchen gadget friend. A necessary tool, get crackin' with fun kitchen gadgets like Nessie, your soup ladle friend. Always on standby, Nessie is always up and ready to use. Have Nessie by your side while you cook and serve your meals. A big fan of animal-shaped utensils? You and Nessie are meant to be. A sprinkle of fun. Ever heard of the one where they lived happily ever after? Well, that's always the story with OTOTO's products. Thanks for watching and subscribe.